I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Got no turbo in for you.
Yeah.
The turbo's every fucking thing.
Right.
Sports girls, fucking turbo in.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you, Finn?
He's gonna fin.
Yeah, I can't believe. So JT
nice.
Butler,
Yeah.
he introduced me to Finn, and we were talking, and he was like, "So what'd you do with that Sportster?"
It was nice. They road glide.
You just bought the damn thing.
You said that really made a difference?
Huh?
It's like compared to the other Harleys you rode, that's a difference?
Yeah, the 142.
Yeah.
I haven't rolled one, so.
Oh, okay. So that was a 103. So that's a 103 I rode.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the twin cam 103.
Okay. And then this is
So you feel
the,
this, that one shakes and fucking rattles.
yeah.
This is smooth.
Okay.
And trust me, when we're out here rolling, and when we get up to 6th gear doing 60,
Yeah.
just twist it. It'll fucking pick up and go.
Yeah.
And I had set the cruiser, so I saw. Yeah.
So I'm not sure what the time is, but it's after closing hours. I just rode the bike up here for the last time, or rode the bike period for the last time. Busa is going bye-bye. Sad. But let me show you what we got. See, was it that one? Nope, wasn't that one. I like that red one, but it wasn't that one. Not that one. Alright, so we done made it home from the dealership. Actually, it's the next day because I made a stop to go see my brother and all that. When I got the bike yesterday. But yeah, this is the bike we ended up getting. 2017 Street Glide with the Milwaukee 8107. Whole bunch of extras, man. Whole bunch of extras. We are like entirely, completely brand new to Harleys. However, we have been riding for about 10 years. Was on sport bikes. Worked our way up from the 6 to the 600 to the 1000 to the 600 to the 1000 to the 1300 Busa. And then now, man, we getting older, so we gliding now. We we are gliding. Like I said, a lot of aftermarket stuff on here, man. You got your, well, I don't know exactly what it is. This is gonna be the intro video. I'm gonna go do some research and then I'm gonna come tell you what all is on this damn bike because it's a lot. The color is Velocity Red, I can tell you that. And it's got the 107. That's about all I know for now. So lots of little nice touches. It's definitely in the details. Previous owner definitely got in his bag on this one, and now it's our bag. So I'm saying got that crocodile. It's kind of like Hayabusa, man. Had that crocodile, alligator, some kind of animal on the goddamn seat. Yeah, everything been touched and changed, and all these little touches and things done different. So, like I said, I gotta do some research, man, and bring it back to y'all. But it's just the first video for this channel, and yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Next video we'll come back a little bit more in depth, but I'm just introducing myself, well, me, my bike, to y'all on this channel. So some of y'all might see some surrounding stuff and know what else I do on YouTube, but yeah, that's how. We back, another video. We are going to we're gonna test out this phone mount before I go and spend the money on what was recommended to me, which was a rock form. I think this may get the job done. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's screwed in there. That ain't magnets or whatever. That's just pure clamping power. So we're gonna put it on there, ride out, and record and then see what happens. So we got some footage of bike on the road. This mount, I mean, it worked fine. It didn't drop my phone, so I'm not gonna rush off and get nothing yet. I will say that, you know, you have to twist it out, twist it back in. It's probably like more of a little hassle to get your phone in and out of it, but you know what I'm saying? We being cheap. And that's what happens. So probably eventually I'm gonna get the rock form one so that I can I had a case for this phone, I just put it on there, snap, good to go, snap, come back out. So that's my plan. All right, y'all, well, we're gonna go on and wrap this up. Gonna go on here, eat, and then edit the video and get it to y'all, man. So if y'all like this video, want more content, then cool, let me know. Next video, we're gonna pretty much be going, I'm gonna find out everything that's on here, and then I'm gonna give y'all like an overview. I know there's a lot of aftermarket stuff on here, and I'm gonna see if I can't find it all for y'all. So stay tuned for that. We out.